Good morning. How are you?
शुभ प्रभात, क्या हाल है?
Do you want to go outside?
क्या तुम बाहर जाना चाहते हो?
What's your name?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
Please subscribe my channel.
कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Like the video.
वीडियो की तरह
Comment your valuable opinion into the comment section.
कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी बहुमूल्य राय कमेंट करें।
Thank you.
धन्यवाद।
So friends, you are listening. You were listening that I was just speaking in English and Google was replying in Bengali. Google was just translating my language, my sentence. So you can also do that by using your Google Assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Hi, my name is Ratul Bashak. I'm your tech assistant and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. Before starting today's video, let me tell you one thing, and that is today I am making this video only for visually impaired people. So you are not able to see my screen, so I am making this only for visually impaired users, but if you want you can still use this feature, because this feature comes from Google Assistant. Your Google Assistant will help you to translate any language to any language just saying a simple command. So watch this video till the end to understand the command and how to use that. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And after watching this video, please try on your own and share your feedback into the comment section. Let's start. Welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. If you want to be a tech expert, subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon and choose all notifications to get latest updates. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. If you have any doubts and queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. Keep watching, keep learning. To do this, you must have a smartphone, you must have configured your Google Assistant, and you must have the internet connection. So let me tell you what is the command. The command is OK Google. Then after that you need to say the command. I will just tell you right now. So just listen carefully. OK Google, interpreter English to Hindi.
ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट।
How are you?
क्या हाल है?
How cold is there?
कितनी ठंड है?
What is the current temperature?
वर्तमान तापमान क्या है?
What is your favorite food?
आपका पसंदीदा भोजन क्या है?
Did you subscribe my YouTube channel?
क्या आपने मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया?
Did you join our Telegram channel?
क्या आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से जुड़े?
Please let us know your feedback into the comment section.
कृपया हमें टिप्पणी अनुभाग में अपनी प्रतिक्रिया बताएं।
If you want to get more updates, you can follow us on Facebook.
यदि आप अधिक अपडेट प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, तो आप हमें फेसबुक पर फॉलो कर सकते हैं।
So let's see. I'm doing another from English to Bengali for my Bengali viewers. Okay. Okay Google, interpreter English to Bengali.
Sure, let's start.
Okay Google, what do you want to do right now?
আপনি এই মুহূর্তে কি করতে চান?
Did you subscribe my channel?
আপনি কি আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছেন?
Please let me know your valuable opinion into the comment section.
আমাকে মন্তব্য বিভাগে আপনার মূল্যবান মতামত জানান।
If you want to get more updates, join our Telegram channel.
আরও আপডেট পেতে আমাদের টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেলে যোগ দিন।
Okay, so this is all about the Google Interpreter mode. This is very amazing. very sweet. So you may use this mode, you may explore this mode, and this is for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and keep enjoying. Bye bye.